Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 12th, 2025, and we're diving into Centuri's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Centuri has shown some interesting developments this quarter, and I'm excited to discuss them.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of Centuri's performance this quarter. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Centuri reported a revenue of $550.1 million for Q1 2025, up from $528 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Centuri's revenue growth is primarily driven by strong performance in their non-union electric segment, which saw a 41.9% increase in revenue. This was due to higher crew counts and work hours. Additionally, their union electric segment also contributed positively with a 7.1% increase.
Despite the revenue growth, Centuri reported a net loss of $17.9 million. However, their adjusted net loss improved to $10.5 million. Can you explain this?
Yes, the improvement in adjusted net loss is a result of better operational efficiencies and cost management. Their adjusted EBITDA also saw a 20% improvement, reaching $24.2 million, which indicates a stronger underlying business performance.
Strategic initiatives and growth prospects. Centuri secured over $1.2 billion in new customer awards this quarter. How does this impact their growth prospects?
This is a significant achievement for Centuri. The new awards, along with a book-to-bill ratio of 2.2x, have increased their backlog to $4.5 billion. This positions them well for sustained growth and provides strong revenue coverage for the fiscal year 2025.
That's impressive. How is Centuri leveraging these new contracts to drive future growth?
Centuri is focusing on expanding their core customer base and identifying new growth opportunities, particularly in their gas and electric end markets. Their efforts to invigorate the sales process and institutionalize a growth culture are already yielding results.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, Centuri has affirmed their full year 2025 outlook. What are the key highlights?
Centuri expects revenue between $2.60 to $2.80 billion and adjusted EBITDA between $240 to $275 million. Their net debt to adjusted EBITDA ratio improved to 3.5x, which is a positive sign of financial health.
There were some challenges with winter weather impacting their U.S. gas segment. How did they manage this?
The impact was temporary, and performance returned to expected levels by March. Their Canadian gas segment exceeded expectations, delivering solid margins, which helped offset some of the challenges.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Centuri reported an adjusted EPS of -2 cents, beating the forecast of 13 cents. What does this tell us?
This indicates that Centuri performed better than expected, even though the forecast was negative. Beating the EPS forecast, albeit slightly, shows that the company is managing its costs effectively and is on a path to improving profitability.
With only one analyst covering the stock, how should investors interpret this EPS beat?
While the coverage is limited, the EPS beat is still a positive indicator. It suggests that Centuri is executing its strategy well and could attract more analyst coverage if they continue to perform strongly.
Key takeaways. In summary, Centuri has shown a strong start to 2025 with impressive revenue growth and strategic wins. Their ability to secure new contracts and improve operational efficiencies bodes well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Centuri's performance this quarter is a testament to their strategic focus and execution. Investors should keep an eye on their growth initiatives and financial health as they continue to build momentum.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Centuri's performance in the comments below.